Kia ora koutou.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora whānau.
We're doing a delivery today from Waiwhitu for hygiene packs again. 569 of those will go out today by our teams in our community.
Common Tokuringoa. I work for Te Āti National Trust, and today we'll be delivering to the Waiwhitu and Moira area. Kia ora.
Kia ora tātou, Adrian Brown tēnei. So the areas that I'm doing is Pōmare, Stokes Valley and Upper Hutt. Mai te kohanga o Muturangi.
Kia ora te whānau, ko tia tirahui ahau. No te kohanga reo papara kai tuarua. Ka mahi nui kia koutou. He mahi nunui kia kokiri Āti Awa toa. Nā koutou hei awhinau tātou katoa. Kia ora.
Morena whānau, Hinamoa Moana Priest here, delivering for Weltic and Te Āti Awa, just sending out packs to our Māori Pacific and Trade Training students. Kia ora.
Kia ora, delivering to Weltic students today.
Kia ora, Tui Barrett from Weltic, on my way to do COVID-19 deliveries over to Wainuamata. We are from Weltic and we are delivering to Nainai and Western Hills. Kia ora.
From Weltic, going to Stokes Valley, Upper Hutt.
Kia ora. I'm Michelle, I'm a tamariki ora nurse, just helping the Rūnanganui today to deliver whānau care packs, and I'm on my way to Upper Hutt, and we've also got pie vouchers to deliver as well. Kia ora.
Kia ora. My name's Edwina, I work for Tamariki Ora. I'm delivering to Taita, Anei and Stokes Valley today. Nice day out there, a bit of a breeze, but all good.
Kia ora, Imai Owen. I work for Te Āti Awa. We're delivering hygiene packs to all of our kura whānau over in Wainui this week.
Kia ora whānau. Gideon Tāutoko is my name. Just delivering parcels to whānau over in Wainui on behalf of the kura. So yeah, hopefully everybody's home when I get there. And yep, stay safe there, cuz. All good.
Elaine Cowan from WorkSafe. Just took a couple of hours off to help the community deliver these care packages. And then back on the tools again, you know how it goes, don't it? Safety never stops, mate. Health and safety never stops.
Te Rūnanganui o Te Āti Awa remains available to support whānau in the greater Te Awa Kairangi region. There are protocols in place so that the delivery of their services continue. If you require contact information of essential social services at this time, they have a dedicated email that will auto-respond with social services, their contacts and the best way to gain information. Email covid19@atiawa.com. This message is brought to you by Te Rūnanganui o Te Āti Awa. Visit www.atiawa.com.